front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app. Then tap on Photos or Library at the bottom. Hold one of your photos that you wish to delete and select multiple thanks to those type of dots at the top right corners. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the top of Library section or at the bottom of Photos one. Then hit Got it and click on Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!